Delphi 6 Personal Edition FAQ. Frequently asked questions about this edition and its licensing terms. Delphi 6 Personal Edition FAQ. Why did they call it personal? Because its license limits you to use it only for non-commercial use. Any commercial, business, governmental or institutional purposes of any kind are expressly prohibited. They called it personal because it's that, personal. Smiley face. You can distribute your works created with Delphi 6 Personal Edition, but may not receive any direct or indirect compensation. This means, for example, that you can't sell licenses of your software, charge for a tailor-made application, ask for royalties, distribute adware applications, etc., etc., etc. Direct or indirect compensation is quite comprehensive. Who is it meant for? You can draw your own conclusions. I guess it is meant for hobbyists or people who just want to learn some programming. Surely it is not meant for programmers who expect to get paid from their work, for businesses, or for institutions of any kind, including the government. Is it free? Yes, it's free, gratis, but you have to register. You can download it from the Borland site, http://www.borland.com/delphi/personal/index.html. If it's free, why is Borland selling it? The download is 140 megabytes. Too much for the internet connection many people have. Besides, the CD-ROM version that Borland is selling for $99.95 includes a printed manual and installation support. Is it open source? No, it isn't open source. Although the source code of some units is available, like windows.pas. Do I have to distribute my applications under the GNU GPL? No, that applies to Kylix Open Edition. With Delphi 6 Personal, if you distribute your applications, you have to distribute them free of charge, but you are not forced to distribute the source code if you don't want to, although you cannot charge for it if you decide to distribute it. Which components does the Personal Edition come with? Delphi 6 Personal Edition comes with 85 components. No DB components, fastnet, queue reports, etc. It is very much like Delphi 5 Standard Edition, with some new things, of course. Is there a Delphi 6 Standard Edition? Since version 6, there's no standard edition of Delphi. If you are interested in developing commercial applications, consider purchasing Delphi 5 Standard Edition. How do I install Delphi 6 Personal? Download Delphi 6 Personal from the Borland site, http://www.borland.com/delphi/personal/index.html. In the third step of the download process, don't forget to click the link "Send me a serial number and activation key via email" to receive by email the serial number and activation key that is required to be able to install the product. If you are a member of the community, don't forget first to check that your name, email address and other data in your community account are correct. If you are not a member of the community, check you are typing your name, email address, and other data correctly. Run the downloaded file Borland Delphi Personal Edition.exe. This will unpack the installer in a folder of your choice. By default it will be C:\program files \Borland Delphi Personal Installer. Run the installer, install.exe, and click on the Delphi 6 button in the Setup launcher to start the installation. You'll be prompted for the serial number and authorization key that should have been supplied to you by email. Read the license very carefully. If you agree to the terms of the license, click the corresponding radio button and then click the next button to go on. Proceed with the rest of the installation as usual. At the end you might need to reboot your system. After the installation you'll find the group Borland Delphi 6 in your Windows Start menu. Go there and run Delphi 6. You'll be prompted for registration. You'll need an internet connection to register online. The registration process is quite easy for Borland community members. You can also register by phone or web browser if you have an activation key. I wasn't sent an activation key, so I guess it's available for purchasers of the CD-ROM version. Enjoy. Smiley face.